Namaste. Okay, so
Series of the Young Educationists of the Year 2023-2024 Ahmedabad, Gujarat. The award goes to Miss Shobha Babe. Miss Shobha, many congratulations to you and thank you so much for joining us today for this event. We request you to make your way or rather dash.
We met again and I'm so thrilled to have you. Heartiest congratulations on your win. Will you like to say a few words on your success today?
See, success is what is in our mind. What we do, we thrive to achieve a little more what we have done. And education is one field that you are always a learner, right? My field is with kids of age 2, starting from 2. So we say these 2 to 6 years is the building blocks for kids, but actually these kids are the building blocks for what is, our future has to be. So shaping them well is what our responsibility is, and motivation like this really keeps me on my toes to do more for them. And you're being loved every day with the kids, but they really remind you of your responsibilities and you know what, all you have it in your hand that you can give it to. So I'm really happy to be in this field, and I feel that kids should be taken care of as a miniature of adults. So that's it.
So you talked about like the kids 2 years of age. Matlab, it should have been very difficult to manage also in that sense with this kind of responsibility. I want to ask, like, is there any mantra which you would like to give us, like the kids who are in their home, which we can take few steps towards their education apart from their school curriculum? What things we can take care at home, you know?
See what happens. I have counseled around 300 people as of now, and in my every counseling I've said education is what? Education, we are also getting educated every day, right? So education is like connecting yourself, knowing yourself, and getting yourself connecting to your environment. This is what education is. We may bifurcate it into various fields, say biology, zoology, and so many like that, but the basic lies is know your environment, know where you belong to, know what you are. This is the basic education. Now coming to the kids, education, no school can provide you the education that a child needs, because a child of age 2 to 6, which we say a building block, learns by imitating. A child is there in school 2 to 3 hours, right? 20 hours, 21 hours, he is with a different environment, and that environment has to serve what a school educates. So we provide the base, but it's the basic responsibility of the guardian or the parents to take care of the necessary requirements, to take care of all those basic necessities that a child has to get. We follow a different genre of parenting, though, which somehow went wrong somewhere, manywhere. So get back to your base. This is what I request everyone. Like, a lot of modernization is not always good.
In sense of mobile phones or in like
Yes.
mobile addiction is something. I have a 4-year old younger brother, so he is addicted to mobile. Obviously he studies, but he wants his phone time to be done, you know. He doesn't like to miss that, and when we take away phone from him, he just becomes very irritated, you know. So what things we can keep in our mind to remove that addiction, or at least lessen that?
See, we have evolved from a species called monkey, and there's a famous quote that says, "Monkey see, monkey do." A child only replicates what he sees. Someone in the house is definitely doing it. We are of a generation कि हम 5 मिनट WhatsApp नहीं देखते हैं, so we get restless. Sometimes it happens to everyone, I suppose, that we open our mobile phones and we really don't know for what, and we open our WhatsApp chat. This is addiction. This is actually, this someone has to cure. We have to take initiative. I represent Taraji's enterprise, which is by my grandmother's name. I called Ma, and it has taken an initiative that everything experiential we provide kids. very less things like we educate them about their human body systems, their own systems, the solar systems that we cannot go physical about, right? So only those things we go digital platform. Rest everything is so experiential. They make everything on their own. They experience it, the application part, what they are learning actually. So this is what education should be about. We are one of its own kind of preschool which has a STEM lab. We have a physics, chemistry, bio and a computer lab in our school. Why? Because if a kid has to get exposed to the digital platform, it has to be the desktop first. Now, parents sometimes come and say, "Mom, pura din scroll karta hai and scroll like a pro," but it's not good. It's really scary to listen to those sentences. He should not scroll it like a pro. He should not even be enjoying the things that are actually harming them, right? So sometimes diverting from where the world is going is good for us. So this is what I.
Last but not the least, I would like you to say a few words about our organization and this event.
I'm really thankful for times that they come up in the field of education and recognized many of the institutes so that everyone needs motivation in life. You are working day, night, 24/7, but someone has to come up and say, "Buddy, you're doing good." So thank you so much for that.
Thank you so much for your valuable insights about mobile addiction in kids. We are thrilled to have you and so lovely to have this conversation with you. Thank you so much.